Imagine the silence of the Atacama Desert. For Dr. Aris Thorne, it wasn't silent at all. It was a roar of information. For 2 decades, he'd been listening to the void, the vast, dark spaces between galaxies, where everyone believed nothing existed. But Aris didn't believe in nothing. He believed that light itself could remember. His theory was called quantum remanence. When starlight passes a planet, it doesn't just bend. E.T. encodes. The light carries a shadow, a faint memory of the world that passed. Then one night, the monitors in his observatory began to glow silver. The signal wasn't random, it was rhythmic. His lead researcher, Elara, whispered, "It's a funeral march." The light came from a star that went supernova 4 billion years ago. They were seeing a ghost. As their computers processed the data, a holographic city of translucent glass appeared in the room. They were watching a civilization, the Ethelgard, who knew their star was dying. They didn't have time to escape. So, they built massive mirrors called lights. They pulsed their entire history, their music, their art, their final goodbyes into the light of their dying sun. They turned their own extinction into a broadcast. Suddenly, Aris understood. Every supernova wasn't just a star dying. It was a library burning. The universe wasn't a cold, empty void. It was a crowded room where every civilization was speaking at once. Their voices carried on photons across billions of years. They pointed their telescope to another star system and found the ledger of aquatic philosophers. They found a nebula that was the smoke from a celestial war fought before Earth even existed. The cosmos was an archive, and they had finally learned how to read it. Then came the final discovery. Aris pointed the sensors to an empty patch of space. A faint signal came back. Its resonance matched the chemical signature of Earth's early atmosphere. Elara, with tears in her eyes, realized the truth. The light from our own sun is carrying our story out into the void right now. Our skyscrapers, our music, our lives. 1 billion years from now, someone on a distant world might see us, hear our symphonies, and know that we were here. The echoes from the void are the universe's way of ensuring that no story is ever truly lost. In the grand tapestry of space and time, stars are the ink, and the void is the paper where the history of everything is written. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing for more stories from the cosmos.